Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a simple parallax effect to background images within your Jupyter X theme using the Elementor Page Builder. This tutorial will guide you through a specific setting change to achieve a dynamic and visually appealing scrolling effect, enhancing your website's design and user experience. And if you're new here, Jupyter X is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme trusted by over 200,000 users. It replaces Elementor Pro with built-in tools, includes 450-plus ready-made websites, and comes with a one-time payment instead of recurring fees. Let's get started. First, navigate to the desired page. Next, click Edit with Elementor to open the page in the Elementor editor. Then, choose the container you wish to modify to reveal its editing options in the Elementor panel. Switch to the Style tab to access the container's visual styling options. Locate the Attachment drop-down menu, which governs the background image's behavior during scrolling. Select Fixed from the drop-down menu. This setting locks the background image relative to the viewport, allowing scrolling content to move over it, essential for the parallax effect. To fully experience the parallax effect, click Preview Changes at the top bar of the Elementor to open a live preview in a new browser tab. On the preview page, scroll down to observe the parallax effect, noting how the background image remains static while the content moves, creating the desired sense of depth. In summary, we have covered how to implement a straightforward parallax effect on background images using Jupyter X and Elementor by adjusting the attachment setting of a container. Applying this technique can significantly improve the visual appeal and depth of your website. Thank you for watching.